Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today I'm going to be making these tacos for you guys. They are some healthy turkey tacos, or as healthiest as I possibly can make them. So yeah guys, I'm going to be making that today for you. Sorry if I'm looking rough, but I've literally done like just grocery shop today. I worked out for a little bit, took my dog out, just showered. So literally I just showered and I'm about to eat dinner now. But yeah guys, if you're interested in knowing how I made these healthy turkey tacos, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so here are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using today to make the turkey tacos. So I'm going to be starting off with I'm going to be using kale just to top off the tacos with instead of cilantro, because I'm not a big fan of cilantro. And then inside the turkey I'm going to be putting like while it's cooking and everything, black pepper, chopped up red onion, garlic, and it's going to be cooking in olive oil. And the tortilla that I'm going to be using is Trader Joe's organic blue corn and wheat tortillas. It comes in 6 and I believe I got it for like no, it was like $4 that I got this for. I also got the ground turkey at Trader Joe's as well. I'm going to be using an avocado on top of the tacos when I'm done, and also diced up tomato with that as well, and then the lemon just to put on top as well. But yeah guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using, and let's get started. Okay guys, so I already grabbed some ground turkey in here. I used like half of whatever I had gotten already. So yeah, I just grabbed half. So this is like 8 ounces here. But first we're gonna start off with the black pepper, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it. I'm not gonna put too much because I am gonna be putting garlic as well. But yeah, just put as much as you think you need. I'm not a cooking channel, and I barely like started actually cooking my own meals because I would just go out with my boyfriend and eat. But yeah, so this is what it should look like. Just grab a little bit. Okay, and then next what I'm going to put in here is the minced garlic, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit because garlic does have a really strong taste. Oh shit, I dropped some on me. Now I'm going to be smelling like garlic. But yeah, just a little bit, not too much. And as you guys can see, I kind of dropped some on me, and now I'm gonna smell like garlic. But yeah, okay, so it should look something like this now. And then after the garlic, I'm gonna be putting in the diced onion in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dice that, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I already diced up the onion, and this is what it looks like now. The onion, garlic, red, black pepper, and the ground turkey. So yeah, now all you're gonna have to do is just mix it together, just so the turkey can get like all the flavor from everything that we put inside already. Okay guys, so apparently I was not recording it when I threw it in, but yeah, so all I did was put olive oil in the pan, and now I'm just cooking the turkey. I like to cook it for around like 12 to 15 minutes, which is how much time I usually cook it for. So yeah, I just let it sit here for a while until it gets like a golden-ish brown color. So that's what I like to do with it. Okay, so it's currently 8:15, so we're gonna be back in 15 minutes. I am gonna keep moving it once, in a while, but until I see that good like gold color, then we should be good. So now what we're gonna do while this cooks is I'm gonna be dicing up the tomatoes. Okay guys, so this is the vegetable board that we have. We have the chopped up kale, the avocado, the diced up tomatoes, and then I have the extra avocado and the extra tomato here just in case we need it. And then also the lemons that I'm going to be using, just to top it off with. So yeah guys, this is the vegetable board that we have here for the tacos. And then over here you can see the turkey got like that brownish goldish color. So this is what it looks like at the end. So yeah guys, and now we're just gonna cook the tortillas in just a second. So now we're just making the tortillas. just keep in mind that when you guys do make the tortillas, that it is on low, but not the lowest possible, but just really low, because these do tend to cook fast. So yeah, you don't want to burn them or anything. So yeah guys, we're just flipping the tortillas now. Okay guys, so as you can see, the tortillas are made already, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of ground turkey in each. I already made my mom her taco because she did want to try it, so hers is already made, and there we go. I think I'll probably have leftover turkey. This is about how much I'm going to be putting in each taco because it does have a lot of vegetables and stuff like that. So after that, I'm just going to put in a little bit of tomatoes. And then after the tomatoes, I'm going to be adding in some avocado. There you go. Alright guys, mash it in a little bit so everything can fit, and then break some kale because I do not want it to be like overflowing either. And if you prefer to leave the stem out of the kale, that's fine, because I might leave some of it out as well, because too much stem takes up a whole lot of space on the taco. So we already put the kale in. My mom did make some salsa from her tacos, so I am gonna steal some salsa. This is what it looks like over here, so I'm gonna steal some and put some on mine. There we go. And then we're gonna top it off with the lime. And I am going to go ahead and put a little bit more lime on this one. There we go. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what the tacos should look like. Dude, they look so good. I can't wait to eat them. But yeah, this is what they should look like. I'm going to fast forward and do the rest of them, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so this is a finished product. I'm eating 3 tacos because I haven't ate that much all day, so I am eating 3 tacos. I am going to be having an Izzy with it. It's the clementine sparkling one, with just some ice on the side. I am going to be doing homework, which is why I'm eating in the room, because I have so much homework to do. But yeah guys, this is the finished product of the tacos. I'm so excited to eat them. Okay guys, so I just wanted to update you guys. I have 1 taco left. It was really good. But the only thing is that I believe since they have like a lot of stuff in them, like I just got full super fast. But yeah guys, 1 taco left. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it. Probably will leave it for lunch tomorrow, but I don't know yet. So let's see. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be trying to post a lot more videos as often as I can, because there's literally nothing to do now, because there's no job, there's no school, so I'm gonna be posting as much as I can. So yeah guys, if you guys recreate these tacos, please let me know if you guys like them, and also if I put some stuff that you guys wouldn't like. You guys obviously don't have to put all that stuff, but that's mainly what I prefer on my regular tacos. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time.